Whoa, another box to open. This one I at least unzip the top. Is like a zip strip. It's kind of a small box. I thought I ordered a lot of snacks. Oh, they're like small snacks. They're small. This is from my work. I think it's associate appreciation. So we could order a set dollar amount for snacks. I probably can't tell how much it is. It's a chocolate brownie. These are like all off-brands, but they're good. It's a chocolate chip cookie dough. Blueberry vanilla food bar. I got a lot of bars. Cookie dough bar. Oh, this one's kind of smashed. This is looks like popcorn. Some kind of popcorn. Crunchy cheese, black pepper, crunchy cheese little snacks. Ooh, this one's good. I've had this before. Ethel's Pecan Dandy. It's a little pecan pie bar. I need to vacuum. Pop Zero, cinema style popcorn. Sea salt popcorn. Cranberry and nut, like a cereal bar. These are small things. Oh, this is a tea, blackberry lemon iced tea mix. Brownie batter cookie dough bar. Cheddar, crunchy cheddar bites. All right, here's the tea. I got something different, some canned teas. Can't get these with one hand. But they're canned tea, half and half lemonade, and this one's like a citrus punch. And I thought I got more than that. And that looks like a peach tea and ginger tea and pink lemonade. All right, so that's called SnackMagic. It's a charitable kind of thing. I think they donate to charities or something. Or you can send one to a charity or friends or something. Snack and give back. A portion of the proceeds from every stash is donated in the form of snacks to a worthy cause. So they send snacks to a worthy cause, I guess, instead of something that they probably really need instead of snacks. But I'm happy with what I got. Thank you. Thank you, work. Bye.